UK weather warning, coldest night of the year tonight with 12 inches of snow and 11 C. An onslaught of savage winter weather has tormented Britain with heavy snow, dangerous ice patches, flooding and 2 storms throughout this week. Last night weather misery continued as a large swaths of Scotland were buried under 14 inches of snow amid freezing temperatures of 11 C. Traffic jams stretching 6 miles clogged up roads near Ben Nevis as hundreds of skiers rushed to capitalise on the heaviest snowfall since 2010. Tonight, more heavy snowfall is expected to lash the UK, with large parts of Northern Ireland and England, possibly even London, in the firing line. Issuing a raft of severe weather alerts, the Met Office has warned of a very cold night ahead as snow moves eastwards across central and northern parts of the UK. Heavy snow and hazardous patches of ice where rain has fallen is expected to cause widespread travel disruption with injuries possible, the forecaster said. The yellow Be Aware warnings will come into effect for Northern Ireland, and large parts of northern and central England from 1 a.m. on Sunday morning until 6 p.m. on Sunday night. The forecaster said, an area of snow is likely to move eastwards across many central and northern parts of the UK on Sunday. The snow is more likely to affect higher routes with lower levels only affected more locally. In addition, rain may fall onto frozen surfaces for a time, particularly across Scotland, following a very cold night. Temperatures are expected to plummet to lows of 11 C overnight, forcing Britain to endure one of the coldest nights of 2018 so far. However, thermometers will creep up next week with warm weather across England bringing highs in the teens by Tuesday. But in the meantime, Graham Madge, spokesman for the Met Office, said urged drivers to only travel on the roads if necessary in the severe weather. He said, snow and ice is going to be the main issue this weekend with a further 4 to 6 inches falling in high ground and just over 1 inch at lower levels. Would advise people to take care on untreated roads and pavements and ask the question of whether they absolutely need to travel. That is the case for both Saturday and Sunday. However, as we go into next week, warm weather coming up from England will mark a change, with a jump in temperature of 10 C in 48 hours. Unfortunately, this may lead to some flooding as the snow melts. The latest freeze comes after 4 days of heavy snowfall which saw 200 drivers were trapped in drifts on the M74 overnight on Tuesday. 2 storms struck Britain, one of which was named Fian, pummeling the nation with powerful winds of up to 90 miles per hour. Bookmaker Coral has slashed odds on this month ending as the coldest January on record from 4-5 to 2-1, from 4-5. Since the new year, freezing temperatures and Arctic conditions have plagued the UK. There hasn't been much joy weather-wise for the UK in 2018 so far, but our latest odds suggest that at least this January won't be remembered solely for its freezing temperatures, a spokesperson said.